JBLA site coordinators, and other school leaders. This weekly report is designed to help you monitor your students' progress. Similar reports are being sent to JBLA teachers and to the students and parents. Here is how to use this report. You'll notice that there are 3 tabs. The Instructions tab provides you step-by-step directions. More importantly, there are a set of reflection and action questions to help guide your assessment of the information provided on the school data and course data tabs. These questions are important in helping you consider how to make a difference with your students. The Course Data tab provides you general progress information for each JBLA class, while the School Data tab provides information on your school's JBLA enrolled students. This data is designed to not only apprise you of your students' progress, but also to help you take action to improve the communication and increase the probability of your students' success. Let's start by looking at the school data. Click the tab to access. Across the top of the page are some things to know about the report's data. The word important is in the title of this section for a reason. Please read this section the first time you access the report and then reference it as needed. This information won't change. Now to the heart of the report. You will note that students in the report are sorted by class. This will help facilitate your comparison with the course data provided on the accompanying tab. All of the information should be fairly self-explanatory. The last column indicates if students have accessed the course within the last 60 hours prior to the report being run. A 1 indicates that students have accessed the course, while a 0 indicates that the students have not. Reports are run each Friday morning. Now let's take a quick look at the course data. Again, click the tab to access. Once more, you should find the data to be fairly straightforward. Occasionally, early in a semester, you may find an error message in a particular data field. This generally indicates that not all students in a course have been engaged in a way that allows the data to be gathered. This should resolve itself quickly. All of this information should be seen as a tool for you to use to improve student outcomes. Still, there are a few quick cautions regarding its use. First, regarding the course data. The course data enables you to compare how your school's students are doing in comparison to others in the course. As every course is different in its approach to content, it is not possible to make comparisons across courses. For example, if one course utilizes an online text that is embedded into the learning management system, while another course uses a traditional textbook, one would generally assume that their activity and logged minutes statistics would vary considerably. Next, please view each student data point as a piece of a puzzle that helps you bring into focus the larger picture of the student's performance. We caution you to not place too much emphasis on any one piece of data, as a class's schedule or a student's study habits might skew the information. Here is an example. Suppose, for instance, that one of your students is consistently listed as having not accessed his course within the previous 60 hours. Looking only at that data point, perhaps you call him into your office and tell him he needs to get more engaged. However, when you look at all of the data, you notice that his grade is strong, and his activity level and minutes spent statistics are above the class average. This might lead to a different type of a conversation, where you find out that this young man has a job and that he works on Wednesday and Thursday evenings, the 2 days prior to when the report is run. He therefore sets aside larger blocks of time during the rest of the week to compensate. Sometimes 2 heads are better than 1. The JBLA wants to partner with you in helping your students succeed. Please reach out to us if you ever feel the need to process the information from this report together.